Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel today. If you're new, welcome to my channel. For today's video, I am going to be doing an FNX Elite Ambassador haul. My box right here. It's a little bit smaller than my other ones, but still kind of big. I have been wanting to open this, but I held myself back because every single time I get a box from them, I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to do a video because I already did it once or twice, but I just get too excited when I get a package and I just want to open it right away. So I really held myself back from this. You should be proud of me. FNX is a fitness company that I am an elite ambassador with. I have told my story about being an ambassador and everything in other videos, so I will absolutely link those down below, or I'll link it up in the cards so you can watch it and get to know my story, why I chose to work with the brand and whatnot. But today I'm just going to be showing you what I ordered. I remember some things, but not all. FNX is located in Utah, so everything is made in the USA. Their headquarters is quite large. It's a pretty big building. I think they even have an elite training camp going on right now, and I just didn't go because I just went on vacation. And even though the elite training camps are on the weekends, I went to California. This one's in Utah, so either way, like, it would have been like a very long flight, and I'm still adjusting back to this time zone. I just thought it would be smart for me to just go a different time. And that was the second one that they've had this summer, and I've heard that they're a lot of fun. This is what I have in here. It's pretty full. Big container I have in here. I got the FNX Rebuild Glutamine, and this is unflavored. It says glutamine is an essential supplement when considering improved recovery, gut health, and immunity. L-glutamine is naturally produced by the body, but when training, sick, or injured, it is optimal to have more. When taken regularly, glutamine has shown to reduce muscle soreness in training and be an excellent fuel source for immune and intestinal cells as cornerstone for optimal health. The way the directions go, it's kind of like creatine, like you just put it in cold water. You can basically put it in anything. Correct me if I'm wrong on that, but I did want to try this. Also, looking on a website for extra information on this product, it says it helps to maintain muscle, minimizes breakdown of muscle, and improves protein metabolism. I know I mentioned gut health, but it does also help soothe and support healthy digestive function, improve the symptoms of leaky gut syndrome. My mom has told me at different times she thinks I have leaky gut syndrome. She is like a health nut, so I believe her. A lot of what the symptoms are for that syndrome is what I've been experiencing in the past couple years. Sometimes I do experience digestive issues. It just happens at random. I don't really know what's gonna happen until it happens. I have to be very mindful of what I eat throughout the day. It also helps to reduce sugar cravings. I don't eat candy. I just ate a cookie, but if you saw my last video, same makeup, and I really wanted a chocolate chip cookie, so I ate one. But this is supposed to help reduce sugar cravings. I rarely eat like sugary things, so it's kind of random, but it's just something I really wanted to try and see how it will benefit my health and improve different areas of my body. This one is the apple cider vinegar gummies. I actually do already have a backup. If you didn't know, for elites, we do have to hit at least $75 each month, but we do get 40% off, so it's 40% off each item. It has to equal $75 after. This isn't something I technically needed, but I was just trying to hit that $75 mark. This is the Recover Muscle Recovery BCAA, and this is actually, I almost said shade. Jesus. This is in, almost said it again. This is in the flavor raspberry lemonade. I do have the snow cone version of this one, which is so good. And I also have not been taking the Recover drink. It's really just because of my work schedule and then like going to the gym right after and like carrying tons of bottles. Like right now I have the FNX Relief brand CBD energy drink. It's so good, and it does the job. Like, it calms my anxiety. It also makes me feel more energetic throughout the day, and like I can actually get things done. I'm pretty much like carrying this into work. I'm bringing my pre-workout into work if I am going to the gym after work. I do have off days in between, and then I just put it in the work fridge. Typically have like a water bottle, so just a lot of things I'm carrying besides my purse, besides my laptop bag, besides my lunchbox. It's a lot. So I do my best not to carry so many drinks for an entire workday and gym day. And also when I get back home, it's a little bit before 8 p.m. and when I drink the recovery drink, it wakes me up and it really energizes me. So I'm trying to at least drink it like on the weekends. Like I drank it last night and I was fine after the gym. I did like 3 workouts. I feel like I was like, I'm gonna need this for muscle recovery and soreness. I just got so sidetracked with this, but I change up my supplement and vitamin routines a lot. I always do a supplement empties. The recovery you may not see as quickly as like other supplements that I go through from FNX. So just pointing that out there. I want to start drinking it on the weekend so I'm not drinking it at 8 p.m. and feeling wired. Also from the FNX Relief line, which is a separate website from FNX itself. It's kind of like a sister brand. CBD oil from them. This is considered a mini size. And I got this because there was a CBD oil I was using that my mom had bought at some point. And I was using it before bed so I could fall asleep faster and also just calm down. The taste wasn't great to begin with. It was tolerable, but I wasn't like, whoa, this is the best tasting thing ever. Not like that. It got to a point where I just could not handle the taste. It started tasting really bitter to me. And it wasn't old, it wasn't like expired or anything. It was just the taste itself. I've been wanting to try other oils. I looked into Charlotte's Web because I do take their CBD gummies. I'm gonna hold off. I've been wanting to try them, but something is holding me back, so I'm just gonna trust that thought. So I wanted to try the FNX Relief brand, their CBD oil. So this has 20 milligrams per serving, and it's in the flavor wild berry. They also have mint, but I think the other one I was taking was kind of a minty flavor, and I just don't like mint and CBD mixed together. So I'm really hoping that the wild berry one tastes good. And just the size reference, like, it's really tiny. It wasn't cheap, but I was able to get my discount off of it. And this also expires in May 2022. That sounds so weird. I'm excited to try this. I do supplement reviews on my fitness Instagram. I haven't done them that much. Once again, I have different routines. They change a lot. And I also like to make sure that I'm trying it out for like at least 3 months. Sometimes I'll give a review like 6 months or even after a year because things change every day. I want to make sure that it is working. I am more like an impulsive reviewer. I don't know if that's even a term, but that's how it makes sense in my head. Sometimes I can try things and I love it right away and then I tell everyone about it, and then however much time passes and it just does reverse and then it doesn't work for me, and then I'm like, I just recommended this to so many people and some people have actually bought it based on my recommendation. I am better about holding myself back on reviewing something, but if I do like it, I may at least put it on my story and not put it in like an actual post. So just letting people know like I'm trying it, I like it so far, I'll update you soon or at whatever point in time. And then the last product, I just ordered in my last one for July, the FNX tank in gray and small. It's a woman's tank and I got the black one. I am not a tank top person when it comes to fitness tops, but I gotta make sure that the style of it looks right on me, of course. I also cannot stand really long fitness tank tops where it like bunches up a lot and it's almost like in the way when it covers your butt. I feel like it's just a lot of fabric at the bottom and I cannot stand it because it kind of affects my workouts, because if it's in the way then it's really annoying. These ones, I would say they're at a good length. I think if they're a little bit shorter it wouldn't be an issue, but any longer I would not buy it. It's actually really comfortable. I have quite a few shirts from FNX and they're all very soft and comfortable. This one actually does not look like the gray one I have. The gray one I have has their has the Phoenix on there, and then it says athlete on there. If you're an ambassador with FNX or work with them in some way, you're considered an athlete with them. That's where that comes from. But this is just black, it has the big Phoenix on there, and FNX. On camera it looks like the average length of a tank top, but these ones are just really comfortable and they're not super baggy. That's another thing about fitness tank tops. I can't stand when they're baggy. I like more of a tighter fit, and for me that goes with any top in general, not just fitness. But so I was a little bit worried that the gray one would be like really baggy and just not look great, but it actually fits me really well and there is room to breathe in it. but it's not super baggy underneath the arms. I have worn it in some of my posts on Instagram, so check that out so you can see how it looks on me. I am a pretty small person, just for size reference, but I am a small. And also something that people may not know about FNX, and I don't think I've actually talked about, I just looked up the tag and it reminded me of it. They do donate 1 gallon of water with every purchase. So it says the FNX Live program donates 1 gallon of fresh water for every item purchased on our website. In our first year alone as a company, we donated nearly 100,000 gallons of water to those in need through our partners, and you can read more about that on the website. Being this an FNX haul, I will have so many FNX links down below, but I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up if you did. Please let me know in the comments if you would like to see more of these hauls, because I really enjoy filming FNX hauls in general. Any kind of haul you want to see from me, comment them below. Also, any other videos in general that you would like to see from me. Subscribe if you want to see more videos of beauty and health, and click that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload, which is once a week. And I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you later. Bye!